Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to list your property on Vrbo. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that perfectly explained everything about how to list your property on Vrbo. So are you a property owner looking to list your property on Vrbo? Look no further. This step-by-step guide is designed to help you navigate the process of setting up and optimizing your VRBO listing. So, how to list your property on VRBO? Step 1 is setting up an account. To get started, visit the VRBO website and click List Your Property in the top right corner. You will then be prompted to create an account using your email address or by connecting your Facebook or Google account. Once your account is set up, you can start creating your property listing. Step 2 is getting verified. Before you can publish your listing, VRBO requires you to verify your identity. This process helps ensure the safety and security of both hosts and guests. To complete the verification process, you will need to provide a valid government issued ID and a recent utility bill or bank statement that confirms your address. Once you've submitted the required documents, it typically takes 24 to 48 hours for VRBO to review and approve your account. Step 3 is creating your listing. Now that your account is verified, it's time to create your listing. Here are the key components to include: property description, high quality images, and amenities and services. Step 4, determining pricing, reviewing potential guests, publishing your listings, and this is the last step. Once you've completed all the steps above, it's time to publish your listing on VRBO. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.